Hello everyone, my name is Akshat Chaure and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathanchallenge, question number 21, day number 21, and today we are going to solve this three sum problem. I will explain you the question statement and then we'll see this answer which I have written, this code. So question is pretty simple. Question says you are given an integer array, both positive and negative numbers in it, and you have to find three unique numbers which results in 0. Great. So these three numbers is put into a tuple and we have to find as many tuples as possible which are unique, means unique numbers, and at the same times all of the tuple containing three numbers should result in sum to be 0. Great. So how to proceed with this question? Because definitely it's a little bit tough question, what I think so because it's a like middle or tough question. There's a time complexity O of n या फिर maximum n square, so we need to find the efficient way. So let me open this paint app pretty quick. So see, one possible solution can be that you will traverse 3 times this array every time you're finding the number, but it will result in O of n cube time complexity, which is as always wrong. Okay, I really don't want to mention this, but uh, the question I have submitted is actually giving me time limit error lot many time, and I really don't understand sometimes why it's coming. Because see, when I actually go to YouTube or some other platform finding in search of finding the solution, I will end up finding the same solution I have thought, even worse, but still this code gives me time like time limit error. You know what, actually time is not that important. Doing question is important, but in this code I've used set, one for loop, one while loop inside one for loop, and just simply converted it to array list to return the answer. Great. Just see this time this code, like the best code somebody else submitted. In this code, first of all, you have created two different functions, means there should be extra time. And top of the fact, in the first function you're using one for loop, means that for loop counts. Inside this for loop you're using another function which end up including one more while loop with the same sort of condition I have used. And even more one more while loop outside this, or even inside this. See, this is the while loop and one more while loop inside, and you may be saying ki, oh no, there must be something different going on with this code, and some different logic is being put to use. Well, no, straight away no, because you can actually see this inside this while loop you have summed these two numbers which is greater than 0, which basically means you have actually traversing from j less than k all the numbers one by one to checking for this condition. Whereas in this code I have directly used binary search, and even using this binary search f to increment the right side, which result in incrementing it even faster. Leaving this, let me just continue explaining you the solution. So how to convert this time to n square time? So for doing this, we will actually take one number as I. This I number is representing first value of the tuple to be fixed. Okay, maybe this is the tuple and first value is fixed. You are just iterating this value from here to here, which is first for loop. Okay, then what is while loop? Well, while loop is actually using two pointers. These are two pointers. This is j and this is a k. Okay, now these two pointers, what these two pointers are doing? Well, for first element combined with this I and j element, you should have a k element resulting in the correct answer. Well, if this like combination is less than 0, then there must be like this is dominating. Sorry, less than 0. No, okay, sorry, j is dominating. means j is so much big, say it's so much big, then this k cannot cope up to result in 0. So what you'll do, you instead of you will increase j to this, so that it becomes a little less dominating, and now this I, j and k will result in answer 0. You keep on doing this, moving j here, k here, and seeing every possibility between this, and you will end up in right j and a k. Well, I think this is pretty much easier for anybody to understand. So not putting a lot of pressure on my throat, let's just end this video. So thank you for watching, and I will post more videos. So thank you.